them.
What will you do with that tissue?
My nose.
Wipe your nose. That's a reasonable answer. We're waiting for the car wash, eh?
Yes.
What do you think will happen in the car wash?
I don't know, Daddy.
Do you see it up ahead? What's it doing? Oh, not out the window. Look right up ahead. Look right straight ahead. See? Do you see it up ahead?
It's raining.
Yeah, that's the car wash.
It's raining.
Yeah, it's gonna rain on our car.
Yes.
Our car's gonna take a shower.
Yes.
Is that quite cool?
Yes.
Okay.
I will. And some water. Don't know fishing in that water.
There's no fishing in that water?
No.
No, you're right. There's no fishing in that water at all. Okay? Oh.
That one.
What have you got?
Two.
Can you show the internet what those are?
I don't know, Daddy.
Hold them up. Whoa, car wash coupons. Wow. Wow.
So,
That's quite cool, hey?
it's and now, what was hard now?
Yeah. Our car's gonna go in there in a sec.
Yes. Look, us.
Pretty cool.
Yes.